Hello. I did my hair. I did my hair finally. Come on, wake up. Oh, guys, I did my hair. You have no idea when you stay with your natural hair, like everywhere. When you're so tired, I wasn't able to do my hair, and I was taking a shower every couple of minutes because of the heat. Thank you. Yeah. Mommy, can we say hi? Come and say hi. Hello, this is Snowy. He's so cute. Ow, sorry. You want to steal the show? Do you want to steal the show? Do you want to steal the show? Good boy. You want to steal the show? You want to steal the show? Yeah. Oh, you want some love. You want some love? Do you want some love from Mommy? Oh, he's so passionate and affectionate, and he's so cute. The most lovable cat I have ever met in my whole life. He loves to do this. No, do it all the time. Ow. And yeah, you didn't see that. He's a grown up now. So big now. This is the beautiful kid. Do you love Mama? Do you love Mama? Anyway, I'm so happy that I finally did my hair. Okay, sorry guys. I need to go out to buy important stuff that no one can get it for me. Pay my rent and all this stuff. I'm really late because I was so tired. I told them I'm tired, so yeah. I guess I need to take 10 tablets or something. Medication. I feel like I'm a bit hot. I don't know. And my lips are so dry all the time. But I'm happy. My hair is a kind of good day. Yes. And it's beautiful being with these cats. They are a plus. Really. They are around me everywhere, healing me, give me so much love. Normally he doesn't stay like this. Wanna jump out, but now, let me see. Now he just give my mommy some kiss and some love. Isn't he cute? It's kind of your color. It's kind of your eye color. It's so cute. Anyway, so the cat is just here. I wanted to share this glorious moment of finally doing my hair. I used the Rush Brush. I can't remember its full name, but it's the it's X5 steamer. It's with steam, like this part, but I use this time without steaming, and it really does a really good job. And I love my hair. I love how my hair looks today. So I need to gather myself, change my clothes, and go out to pay my rent and buy the stuff that I need, like a coffee and other things. Will be all around the house. I'm not going too far. And I'm sorry guys. And coming back home, I feel my head is just like a scrambled egg. Completely. But I really want to be with you. I have so much time. I can't do anything. Can't focus about anything. Maybe I don't talk to anyone. Maybe that's why I talk to you. Yeah, females have a large amount of vocabulary we need to say every day. So it's for you. It's a funny thing. It's not funny. It's a good thing because I speak in English now. So here, I speak in Arabic, of course, but video I speak in English mainly, most of the time, all the time for the vlogs. And I hate the flies. I don't want to go out. And let's say bye. Bye, my beloved. See, that's what I'm talking about. Stop. Stop.